Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, original shark from Shark Tank. Want some help cleaning out your gutter? The Water Rocket can kill it in no time.
We love our trees and the shade they provide, but that comes at a price. Leaves, needles, and other debris can seriously clog up your roof gutter, causing water damage to your home. That means regular cleaning of your gutter, a big hazardous chore. The Water Rocket can make gutter clearing a breeze. If you have clogged gutters, drain pipes, or weeping tiles, you need the Water Rocket. Just attach it to a standard garden hose. The forward jet helps it break through clumps of debris, while 6 reverse jets push material back toward the downspout. No gas or electricity needed. The Water Rocket is yours for only $13.95. Get it today at flushquip.com.